In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace color in Pixlr. We'll walk through the process step by step. So even if you're new to Pixlr or photo editing, you'll be able to follow along and get great results. All you need is a web browser and an image you want to edit. First, open Pixlr in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look for the option called Pixlr Editor. This is the more advanced editor inside Pixlr, and it's the one we need for color replacement. Click on Pixlr Editor, then either upload an image from your computer or select one you've already saved in your account. After you choose your image, it will open up inside the editor workspace, ready for you to start editing. Now that your image is open, turn your attention to the toolbar on the left side of the screen. This is where all your main tools live. Scroll down and find the tool called Color Replace. The icon may look like a brush or a dropper, depending on your version, but it should be labeled clearly as Color Replace. Click on it to activate the tool. Next, we need to choose the new color you want to apply. At the bottom of that same left toolbar, you'll see small color swatches. Click on the first color swatch. This will open up a color picker window. Here, you can either click around to find a color you like, type in specific color values if you know them, or adjust the sliders to dial in an exact tone. Take your time here, because this is the color that will replace the original one in your image. Once you're happy with your choice, click OK to confirm. With the color selected, let's adjust the Color Replace tool settings at the top of the screen. You'll see options for brush size, mode, tolerance, opacity, and sometimes a checkbox for a hard tip brush. Brush size controls how big your brush is, so choose a smaller size for detailed areas and a larger one for broad sections. Tolerance determines how similar a pixel's color needs to be to the original color in order to be replaced. Lower tolerance affects fewer, more specific tones, while higher tolerance covers a broader range. Opacity controls how strong the new color appears. If you want a more subtle effect, lower the opacity. If you want a solid, bold replacement, keep it close to 100%. Enabling a hard tip will give you sharper edges, while a softer tip will create smoother blending. Once everything is set, move your cursor over the area of the image you want to recolor and start brushing or shading over it. As you paint, you'll see the original color being replaced in real time with the color you picked earlier. If it's affecting too much or too little of the image, simply undo, tweak your tolerance or brush size, and try again until it looks right. When you're satisfied with the new color, you're done. You've successfully replaced the color in Pixlr using the Color Replace tool. From here, you can continue editing your image or save and export it in your preferred format.